Have two cars on the road. Is this correct? Let's find out. What's up guys? My name is Shane and today we are talking about 3 common grammar mistakes you might be making. But don't worry because grammar is really easy to fix, so let's get started. Have two cars on the road. Is this correct? No. When we want to say something is in the world or something exists in the world, we always say there are. So this sentence should be there are 2 cars on the road. Let's have a look at this example. 3 books. Have 3 books, right? No, we should say there are 3 books. There are 3 books. So we've got 2 cars and 3 books. These are plural nouns. So when we have a plural noun, we always say there are. But what about this? Is this a plural noun? No, this is a singular noun. It's one thing. It's one phone. So when we have a singular noun, we always say there is. There is a phone. What about this plant? This plant behind me. This is one plant, so I can say there is a plant behind me. Do not say have a plant behind me. Now let's go back to our first example. There are 2 cars on the road. What if you want to make that a negative? You can say there aren't 2 cars on the road. There aren't 2 cars on the road. What about the question? We can say, are there 2 cars on the road? Are there 2 cars on the road? What about this one? There is a phone. What if we want to say no phone? We can say there isn't a phone. There isn't a phone. What about the question? We can say, is there a phone? Is there a phone? So just remember, when you want to say something exists in the world, something is in the world, always say there are or there is. And if you want to make it a negative, we say there aren't or there isn't. And if you want to make a question, you say are there or is there. Okay, let's look at the second common grammar mistake for today. I'm study at university. What does this mean? Is it past, present, or future? It's past, present, and future. It's something I do all the time. And when we talk about something we do all the time, a habit or a routine, we use the present simple tense. And when we use the present simple, it's I plus a present tense verb. So this sentence should be I study at university, not I am study. Let's have a look at a few more examples. I to the gym every week. This is something I do all the time. It's a habit. So we can say I go to the gym every week. Do not say I am go to the gym every week. And one more example. I in an office, my job. I work in an office because it's something I do all the time, past, present, and future. So we don't need am, we just need I plus a present verb. So just remember, when you're talking about something you do all the time, just use I and a present tense verb. Now let's quickly look at how to make negatives and questions. So let's look at our first example again. I study at university. The negative is I do not study at university. And the question is, do you study at university? And the last common grammar mistake for today is, I like to eat cakes many. What's wrong with that? When we use words like lots, many, a lot, we normally put those words before the noun. So this sentence should be, I like to eat many cakes. What about this sentence? I want to have money a lot. It should be, I want to have a lot of money. And what about this one? He has bottles of water, a few. It should be, he has a few bottles of water. So just remember, when you're using words like this, normally we put them before the noun. Okay, and they are the 3 common grammar mistakes for today. But now you know how to fix them, you shouldn't be making those mistakes anymore. And if you're interested in learning about more common mistakes, check out this video right here. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, hit subscribe right now so you don't miss any video that can help you understand English like a native speaker. I upload new lessons every week, and if you like the video, please hit like and share this with your friends. And for more English, follow my Instagram and my Facebook, and I will see you in the next video. Do not say have a plant before. There is